If you ever wanted to create your own trading indicator, or perhaps you have your own trading strategy that you want to test under real conditions and automate, then Pinescript might be precisely what you're looking for. Pinescript is a scripting language for Tradingview that lets you easily create your own trading indicators or create custom strategies that you can then backtest on real historical data or use to automate the trading. To get started with Pinescript, you first need to register on Tradingview. While there are many different plans available, the free plan will be suitable for most use cases. Once logged in on Tradingview, open the chart under Products and Charts Plus. On the chart, you can then click on Pine Editor to create your first indicator. Let's create a new custom indicator by clicking on Open Indicator. A new indicator will be opened and we can use this template to create our own indicator. I recommend saving the file immediately so it doesn't get lost accidentally. For our first script, we want to create an indicator that shows the current drawdown from the all-time high of the asset. For example, as you can see here on this Bitcoin chart, the all-time high of Bitcoin was around $69,000. And for the drawdown, we want to measure how far Bitcoin has moved down to whatever candle we're currently looking at. For that, we first want to give our indicator a proper name. Then we create a new function that calculates the all-time high and returns it. Initially, we set the all-time high to 0 and just iterate over each candle. If the high of the candle is higher than the all-time high, we save that value. Otherwise, we just skip it. Then we return the all-time high by just typing the variable name. Next, we create another variable that calculates the difference between the close price of the current candle and the all-time high in percent. To display this indicator on our chart, we can use the plot function. Call the plot function and give our variable name and the color as parameters. Next, we hit save to save the script and then add to chart to add the script to the chart. You can see on the chart that there is now a new indicator called drawdown all-time high. We can either customize this script even more or publish it on the Tradingview public library so other people can use it. If you want to create your own indicator or strategy, click the first link in the description below.